Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and yesterday I was a little mean, and I showed you a long form, but I also wanted to blend in some things. So tag attribute. So when we were first doing this, I had showed you. Here, let's copy this or comment this out. I showed you an attribute that the tags that BeautifulSoup has. So we need to look at that. We need to look at the text tag to clean this up. But if you're new here, thanks for joining us. I'm Sam from Python Basics. We do videos that build upon each other. We do micro videos. So right now we have headlines, right? Headlines. Line equals headlines, and we'll look at the first one. Headline. So we have this, and I wanted to see if anybody would. We have the whole thing here, right here. So I did a very convoluted, kind of mean thing yesterday. So we need to look at the attributes for headline, and we can clean this up quite a bit. Anybody remember string? Okay, well sometimes string doesn't work with the attributes, but text does. So we need to look about the text. All right, so let's go ahead and just look at that right now. Make sure it's not the other way around. Yeah, it is text. So headline, so we have this all right here. We have a whole bunch of, bunch of other attributes, and like I said, it was a little mean, but I want you to understand the tools that we have out there and everything that we have. So string works, but sometimes string does fail, because I think that's what we looked at when we were first doing this. But sometimes it fails on these tags if it's if it's set up a little bit different. If it's I think it's the React tag, string will not work, but text does, if I remember. So we're gonna leave this here. We're gonna neaten this up a whole lot, and then I'm gonna show you another problem that Yahoo News has. But like I said, this is what we do. We do something, we make it work, we do it better. This is actually the process that I went through when I was learning how to do this. So let's just go. So we have all of this, and then so literally we are just going to go through and throw this in a headline. So we're going to use list comprehension because we don't have to do all this stuff to it. So headline title, let's do titles. And then inside our brackets, then for headline and headlines, then we come back over here and we're going to do headline dot text. And for headline in headline titles, print headline. So here we go. Boom. It just goes and does everything for you, and it sorts this through. Now I want to show you one thing, and this might actually be a little makeshift challenge. If you look, Yahoo has these cycle through that each time you do this, there are some staple headlines. I think it's the first 4, but they do cycle through and have a variety of other headlines so they don't bombard and overload the website. So there is a way, and you can go through, and actually let's let that be like a little challenge for you to go and deduce a system that can run this through and grab all of the headlines and not have any duplicates. and maybe we'll do that, and maybe we'll have another week of challenges or something like that. So there we go, guys. Awesome topic, using the tools that we have. So now we have this nice little pretty line of code, and we don't have to do all of this. And I alluded to it, that I knew it was hacky, and I knew it was, but it worked. That's the whole point of this, is get something to work, find a better way to do it. Make the code better. Make it better, make it better, make it better, make it cleaner, make it more readable, make it more organized, make it more uniform. All of those things are great skills to have. But first, just get it to work. Just get it to work, get it to do what you need, and then move on, and then you'll find better ways to do it. So there we go, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.